Hi, my name is Babs and I'm the founder of endpoints. So endpoints makes sure that creating a mock API is just a really simple and fast step. Instead of the long forms you have to fill in for other tools. So let's dive into the demo and I'll show you how it works. So if you go to endpoints.io, then you find the landing page, and from here you can get started for free. So if we sign up, we can sign up with GitHub or with GitLab or custom sign up, of course. And if you're logged in, then you'll find this overview page of your endpoints or resources, how we call them also. And if we want to generate a new resource, since we don't have any yet, then let's just start with the demo and call it articles. And if we want to have any data in there, we get this JSON editor. So this is the data that will be returned, and fill in the initial data of the articles. So I already copied over some of the data in my front end, and this is what we get. It's not a good formatted JSON yet, so let's use the magic tool and it will fix it for you. So if we click save and then generate. So this is basically it to set up your resource, and we have a good solid foundation from here. So we have the RESTful endpoints, and we can put them into our API client or directly into our application, of course. Let's use Bruno and use the API client to test out the endpoints. So we made the resource articles, and we can perform a get on the articles itself, and then we will be returned a list of the object that we just filled in, obviously. But if we want to add more items, that's also possible. So it's opposed to the same URL, and we can fill in the JSON. So it's not strictly typed. The reason for this is just to keep it as simple as possible, and to make sure that later on you can easily change it and there's no problems. But you can obviously keep it the same as well. And for the ID field, we didn't fill that in, so it's automatically generated. But we can also fill it in if we want to, so that you have full control over what it will be. We can also use numbers, we can use objects, anything. And if we submit this, then we get a 200 OK that it successfully performed it. And if we do the get again, we'll see that the item is added to the list. So yeah, you can perform all these RESTful actions, and it will be reflected in the data again. So yeah, I hope that that clarifies it a bit, and I hope you enjoy the product.